Hello. Today we're going to talk about private ChatGPT with a multiple robot. So, what's the private ChatGPT? A traditional ChatGPT or ChatGPT from OpenAI is indexing the whole internet's information. And so, when you ask a question, it's not specifically to a business. It's going to use the general knowledge of the internet. So, today we're going to show how to use easy or private ChatGPT to do a chatbot just for your business. So when it's answer the question, all the information will related to your business and not to, other your competitors, etc. Okay, and here's the website explore.io. You can come here and then click ChatGPT, or you can type ChatGPT and directly come here. Okay, and I'll show you step by step how to do that, and to show you how it works. So you actually use the same robot here. Let me clean this up. So when you come in, you're going to see one or many robots. Okay, and this is the feature we're going to introduce. You can build your own robot, one for your pre-sales, customer support, technical support, your writers, etc. For the internal employee, you can help you write the SQL. Okay, and yeah, this is how you use it. You can ask questions, etc. Now let's do it. So first step, you're going to sign up, or one since I already have an account, I'm going to go sign in, and then you can click these. I'm gonna make my account smaller. Sign up with Google. Yeah. So, and I have multiple accounts. Oh, now let me go back. So I have to sign in manually. So use my email, Google email, and then say continue. Since I have a multiple account, you're asking me which account I want to log in. So I'm going to log into this one just for the demo purpose. And then I log in successfully to this to my portal. And once you go in, this is Chat AI. First, you have pretty much nothing here, and you have to add a config. I'm going to change it to my name. Okay, and here's just some welcome message showing when the chat bots pop up. You can change it to anything. You can write your company's logos, company's names, and special greetings for your company. And this is raw description. It's basically a prompt to your questions, to your ChatGPT prompt, right? So you can change that to whatever you need. For example, limit the size of the response, length of the response, etc. You can change the colors. You can change the floating tools. You can put some email address for your business in the floating tool and the phone numbers. Okay, once you have everything, I'm not going to change it, but you will probably change it after you are getting familiar with it. You save your chatbot, and then you go back to here. You're going to see you're going to have this entry here, right? This is the name, and then first you're going to build a knowledge base, and yeah, I will normally I can. You just have to. So, for example, I want to add a new content, right? I can have a link. So the website. So, and here internal external means internal is only for your employee. External will be accessible from the website. Okay. So once you have everything, you just say create. Now you have contents indexing. You can add many contents as you want. You can add a website link. You can add the website sitemap, so which will index many pages at the same time. Or you can use upload a file. You can upload text. You will have a huge description of your company's technology and products. You can put it here. Okay. Once you add it, see it's already indexed. Now it's ready to go. Okay, so you go back here. Now the key things we're going to talk about today is the chatbots. So initially you're going to have a default chatbot when you create it, but you can add many preview bots. We're going to have more of these coming up, but for now you just you can select. For example, I want to have pre-sales. I have customer support. I have technical support. I have product manager to my robot. Okay, so and here is your all your bots you added. Okay, now you are ready to go. And one more thing is like you can copy this, so you can come back and modify this. You can copy the code. Okay, this is the code snippet you copy and put into a website. Once you add it to your website, you're gonna have something like this. Okay, and it's very easy. Just copy it and paste it into it. Okay, and you can also copy the link. So, for example, and this link will behave just exactly the same when you see it on your website. When you embed it to a website, instead of full page, you're going to be a floating page, floating widget on your page. So this is the thing I add, right? I added, and for the internal business, you can use this. So this is the internal employee. You can use this console to do the chat. Okay, it will be just the same, but the content may be different based on the internal external thread of the knowledge base content. So here I'm going to ask, okay, so assuming you have this embedded into your website, and then I can start asking questions. How can I get call center software? If you type this exactly the same thing into the ChatGPT, you can tell you a lot different things. Okay. Uh, yeah. So, but this time you're going to just based on the easio.coms, you're going to tell you specifically how to get it. So it's not going to tell you something else, right? And since we're indexing the easio.com website, so you're going to tell you exactly where to get it. And also, so for example, I'm going to try this product manager assistance. I can use different bot, and then I'm going to ask him help me design a call center software for my team. So, and this is more technical and more specific. Let's see how it works. And yeah, so this project manager will try to help you with this how to first you get to requirement first. So you're asking how many agents, the feature you needed, do you need a software integration to the CRM systems, what kinds of reporting analytics, scalability, budget, etc. And then based on this product manager and then the service provider, this Easio.com, can help you create a plan just for your team, right? So you can see this is quite working very well. And you can create your own type of robots. So for example, you can create one for your sales to write email, okay, based on your own content, because I'm assuming for the real business, you're going to have tons of content, right? Maybe tens of documents, even hundreds, even thousands of documents. You index them here, and then any questions you ask will be based on your own content, okay? And one more thing I want to mention here is the knowledge base. Besides the content, you can also put in the Q&A. You can import the question, or you can manually enter the question, input questions to the Q&A. For the very frequent ask questions, you can do it like that. Okay. And yeah, so once you build a knowledge base, add your chatbot, and that's it. You can put it on your website, and then customer can ask specific question, and your answer to specifically to your business. Okay, not a generic question. Okay, and that's it for today. And thank you for your interest. If you like our video, give us thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and we have more video coming this way to our channel. Next time we're going to talk about how to use different prompt for different characters, and showing the result of this query. Okay, stay tuned for our next video. Thank you, and bye now.